Hi kids. Today we're gonna make this.
Oliver got this at his birthday party today. Super Mario Lego kit. So we're gonna build it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. So you can, after you build this, you can take it apart and then build this one.
Cool. All right, let's do it.
Yeah. And kids, all the extra pieces, I'm gonna make creative stuff with them.
That's awesome.
Monsters and tools, you know?
Absolutely. That's the best part of Lego, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do it. So kids, it came with a bunch of different bags and an instruction kit. So we'll go ahead and get started.
Hey kids, I'm gonna show you what number.
So can you find bag number 1?
This
is 3. This is 4. This is 5.
This is 1.
Is it? Yep. Okay.
It doesn't have a number on it, so I know it's 1.
Yeah, it might be because I see Mario's legs in there anyways. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I found bag number 1. There it is.
That must be the second one then.
So it says you need baggie number 1 opened and this box.
Oh.
Would you like me to open baggie number 1? Okay.
I'll open the box.
Okay. What is that? Let me see.
Mario.
Whoa. Okay. So
Put on the hat.
wait a minute. He needs batteries. Oh my goodness. Mommy's got to see if we have AAA batteries somewhere. Hold on.
A few moments later.
Hi, Mommy got another AAA battery.
And I got, watch what you're filming. And I got a screwdriver. Let's see if it's the right size.
I think it's up here.
Nope, the screw's right where I put the screwdriver. Okay.
And what's those 2 things on the thing for?
They're power buttons. Can you show the kids what you're talking about?
These. Which one's on?
Hold on, we'll see.
I think this one's on.
Yeah.
Do you press them like this?
I don't know, my love. Not when it's not on him, you silly banana. How on earth? Oops!
What?
Mommy was trying to put the battery in backwards. How silly am I? Okay. Let's get it back on. Yep.
Now let's press the power button and see how it works.
Well, it says first, you're supposed to
Get the feet on him.
Yep, I'll take this back from you so you can find his legs. The blue pants.
I think
Hold on.
this one.
It says not to do that yet. It says you need to find his blue pants, which I think are in here.
Yeah, up here.
Yep, so let's open that up too. Okay, can you put his pants on him?
Attaching on the pants.
Okay.
Now where does this piece go?
Hold on. What piece? Okay.
Oh,
Yep.
I need 2.
Yep. So 1 on each side. Yep, good. Now you can flip him over and hit that power button if you want to, and let's see what happens. Turn him around. Oliver! That's so cool!
How am I making close his head?
I don't know. Maybe hit power again?
See you later. Lego Mario time.
That is so cool!
I don't want to waste batteries though.
Okay, yep, we'll leave him off until we get it built, okay?
Yeah, I don't want to waste batteries. We just gave that batteries.
He's so cool. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go to the second page.
Goomba! Goomba! I love Goombas!
Oh, there's an app we can put on your iPad.
What? Why?
Yeah.
Do we have to do that right now?
Digital building instructions. Yeah, the building instructions are on your iPad? Yes. Go grab your iPad, buddy.
Okay.
I think so.
New Lego.
So it says to look for this app. So kids, will check back in with you when we get there, okay?
Mhm. I just got the app.
We downloaded the app.
Let's see how to build next.
It says start. Connect.
Okay.
I think he's connected. This is so cool. Oh, it needs an update. Okay, kids, we'll check back in when the update's done. Oh, it's going quick. It's going quick. We're all right.
Yeah, we're all right. We don't need to check back in.
So, Ollie, it says anytime Lego Mario is being updated, you do not turn him off, and you do not turn off your
iPad.
or this app even. You have to leave it on this screen, okay, until the update is done. Okay?
Mhm. It's there. Yes.
Yep, I think it worked. Let's see. This is so cool, kids. Reconnecting.
Wait. So it'll do all of the.
Update successful. Let's go.
Let's see what else it does now.
Upload new adventures. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's uploading new adventures. Let's see what it does.
A few moments later.
Why did he make a noise?
It's reconnecting now. I think that means it's connected. You're ready to play. Let's go.
Let's see how it to build this.
Adventures with Mario starter course. Okay, we built Lego Mario. Let's see what this video is though.
Let's see what the fire one does.
Look on him. So if you put him on blue, he gets icy. If you put him on green, look at him. Trees. Okay, what happens if we put him on red?
Fire.
Fire. Would you like to try it? Hold him over the colors. He's already on that one, so try holding him over a different one. Yeah, now blue. Now red. So cool, okay? So it looks like, Bubby. Hey, next, should we try to build a Goomba?
Yeah, let's go. Goomba. Hey, Goomba. So what?
Hold on.
First you go.
So it says baggie number 2. 2.
How do you open it?
I will help you 1 second. Let's get Mario. Are you shaking it like they are? Would you like me to open it? You're so silly. Okay.
Should I turn him off?
No, he's good. Leave him.
But his batteries.
He's fine. We're gonna play.
Okay.
Yep.
Two.
Okay.
This and then this.
Yep. Okay. So watch. I think what you can do.
This is so
you can
much
turn
easier.
it if you need to see.
This is so much easier now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it looks like you need to make it so that, yep. Good job.
This is so much easier.
Okay, next step, take another gray piece. Here you go.
Thank you.
See where you put it?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go on to the next step?
This
Oh, is it not quite on? Good job.
This is so exciting.
This is amazing.
Goomba's face. Goomba's
Okay,
face.
do you see where it needs to go? Look at his feet.
Flip it around right here. Put it on right here like this, don't you? Yep, you do.
Okay. Go ahead.
This is so much easier.
This is such a cool way to do instructions, Lego. Good job.
Yeah.
And did you see up here it tells you how many of each piece you need
Yeah.
for the step?
I didn't see that.
That's
but,
so cool.
Yeah. Huh? Whoa, I picked up the wrong piece. Where's that? There it is.
There it is. Good job.
And it's flying on right there. Come on, get on there already. So much easier. How do you put it on? Oh, it's this thing right here.
Yeah.
No, but on this side.
On the face. Yeah. Good job. These instructions are really nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's your Goomba. So hit that check mark. Wow. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Can you try that? Try that with your Mario. You defeated the Goomba. Good job.
Yeah. A Goomba's coming after. Ah.
Okay, should we build our first course?
Okay.
Yeah? Look, so this is so cool. It's video step by step. So this one says my first course. Okay?
Yeah. Goes on this thingy. And then this thingy goes on this thingy.
Okay. Good. Okay, I think then you can hit the back button and go on to the next one.
Is it a Mario fan now?
You won! Good job! Whoa! Good job!
Let's see how fast I did it.
3 seconds. That's amazing. Good job, buddy. All right. Would you like to see what's next? Like, it looks like a different course. Kids will keep checking in. This is so cool, though.
Kids, I've been dreaming for this, so it just tells you what to build.
It's so cool, huh?
Yeah, I've been dreaming.
Oliver is building
Bowser Jr.
Bowser Jr. now. Look at all this stuff that Oliver has made, kids. He's made all kinds of pieces for his course. He's doing such a good job. Highly recommend these Mario kits, I'm telling you. This is really cool. This is Bowser Jr. Oh, he's so cool. What happens? Okay, hold on. I'm curious. What happens when Mario goes over his back? Turn him around? No. Look, he's got the code on him. Nope. Stand Mario over the code. Do it again. Again. Woohoo! So Oliver got through all of these in about, what, an hour?
Yeah.
That was really cool. And then tomorrow we're going to play with it some more and see if we can build another course, right?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Hey kids, this is the course that Mommy made for me. So gotta hop in this pipe.
Did he throw his hat in the air?
Yeah.
Good job. Is that so fun?
Yeah, let's do it again.
Okay.
Bye, kids. And remember, always stay happy and rise up. Bye.